Hey YouTube, Kevin Wilson here. Listen, I'm going to show you a secret that I just figured out myself. I just figured it out. I said, oh boy. If you can play the major scale, you are able to play a Christmas song that everyone loves. I know we're getting around the Christmas holiday, and we all like to grab our guitars with our families, our grandchildren, our children, our wives, and play Christmas songs. But this particular song, Joy to the World, you can actually play the melody by just knowing the major scale. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to play it up to tempo, and then I'll break it down. Play in the key of C. Let's go. See, now all we have is the major scale, the C major scale. So I'm going to play it slowly now, okay? So you'll be able to hear that C major scale in the melody. We're just starting on a high C. Here we go. There you go. Have fun with it. Enjoy it with your family. And guess what? I'll see you next time.